Oh no, that got up into the wind. Go. Okay. Kind of chunked it into the wind, but it's like 3 feet. All right, aim it right at that white house, hit a little cut. Or hit a draw off the white house. Yep, back out. Yeah, cut in there. That's so good. Got about a 15-footer to save par. It's dead straight. It's just not cutting. Kind of a tight gap, but there's a gap, so let's hit it. I mean, we hit it. We'll have to see where that ends up, but I hit it good. All right, so my second shot was just a little bit short, right on line, but got a straightforward chip up the hill. Let's see if we can make it. That'd be a crazy way to finish this round. Pretty good. What a hectic round.